The modern world depends on power from subsea and land cables. They transport increasing amounts of green energy to everything from private homes to large industrial facilities. As the world's populations and economies grow, so does our dependence on subsea cables. However, they must often be placed in high-risk areas occupied by busy shipping lanes, fishing, and other marine activities that can damage them. The cables are also under threat from the natural environment. In time, weather and currents can alter the seabed and expose the protected cables. Exposed cables are vulnerable to damage, and the risk is heightened by poor maintenance and prevention strategies. Damage to subsea cables can cut the power and communication lines of entire cities, communities, and installations. Incidents like this have profound system-wide effects. The economic and social consequences are often severe, and without a proper contingency plan, cable repairs can take up to a year. Nexans Inspection, Maintenance and Repair provides advice about both preventative and curative measures. Routine inspections and maintenance discover and repair irregularities, lowering the risk of damage. If an incident occurs, Nexans can mobilize expertise, equipment and pre-engineered repair solutions within 72 hours, reducing response time by up to 70%. With over 100 years experience and global reach, Nexans IMR minimizes system downtime, saving you time and money. Protect your assets and be prepared for the unexpected. Nexans IMR secures energy to life.